All right, so we're going to continue editing our part. Let's go back into edit sketch mode and let's take a look at what we have to add next. Okay, so we have, let's go ahead and add this notch here. And looking at it, I can see that this is half a circle, a semicircle, and then you have these two straight parts here. So let's go back to our drawing and let's go ahead and grab the circle tool, and then the center of that of the let's go back here. The center of this notch here aligns with the center of this notch. So I'm going to place the center of this circle here and align it horizontally with the center of our semicircle over here, the first one that we use. And let's go ahead and this tool. Let's dimension this circle here to 20 millimeters. All right. So now to produce these straight edges here, I'm just going to use a line feature. So if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that when I get close to I want this line to be tangent to the circle, meaning that it only will touch at one point. If I start a line here, and extend it, it could cut through the circle at more than one point. But you can tell when you're at the tangent point because you're aligned with the center of the circle here, right? And you can see the purple dots, how they're showing up. That means if I come down and touch the circle, I'm going to be touching it right at its tangent point. So left click here, and then make sure your line is perpendicular or straight here. You can tell if you can see the degree marking where it says 0 degrees. If I move it, it's going to be any number other than 0. That means that it's no longer a tangent line to our circle. But you can see that it's tangent, and you can see the symbol over there right above the circle indicating that it is tangent. So then we want it to snap to the line. Touch right here. And left click. All right. And then we're going to do the same thing down here. And then bring this line here. That's the circle. All right, this tool. Okay, so now we want to just trim away the pieces that we don't need. So we use the trim feature and get rid of this bottom half of the circle and this part right here. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and trim away this line that we used earlier as a mirror line. We don't need this anymore. This part right here and that part right there. All right. Okay, so we have, this is the notch that we've duplicated here. Let's go ahead and finish the sketch and then save our work.